This is a microprocessor based KARL Fischer titrator. Here are the 4 keys: blank, start stop, increment and decrement for timer, and here is the stirrer control. These are the accessories that comes along with the machine. So let's start assemble it. This is the KARL Fischer electrode. This is for inlet and outlet, and this is for KARL Fischer electrode. Connect the auto burette pipe to the inlet. And also connect the outlet pipe. This is a auto burette, and in this bottle KARL Fischer reagent need to be filled, which through this bellow move upward toward the burette. Using this hole like this and press bellow. With this, the liquid in this bottle moving start upward, and press the bellow till the liquid reaches to 0 position, or fill the auto burette. After this, rotate the blue knob and open the path. The liquid from the auto burette moves from this pipe to the inlet, and when machine started, press start. Through this inlet and outlet combination, the liquid KARL Fischer reagent moves into this bottle. This bottle already filled with methanol who have 0% moisture. First time we start this to neutralize the moisture which is already present in the pipes and bottle. Once the moisture zero get detected, it stops the liquid motion, and after that put any sample into this beaker and start the same process. This is for stirrer control.